Hi guys, it's me Scarlett. I know you can't see me, but let's get straight into the video. So, we have just saved 3 little birds. We don't know what types they are, but let me try and show you them.
What
Look at them, guys.
Joseph?
Red.
That is an ant on my foot. Get off.
Look.
They're not taking it, but that's because their beaks aren't open.
They're chirping. You can't hear them though.
Yeah. Like, it keeps opening its mouth because it's got a little bit of it left on its beak.
Just keep on trying to give it something so it trusts you.
Yeah.
He just drank some.
Yeah.
Because our cat, I don't know where she's gone, but they must have dropped out of the nest and
They did, and Dolly took some of them.
Yeah. So yeah, they're really cute.
Do you think anyone's replied to my story?
Some of them are like really itchy. Don't worry guys, that on the side is not blood. It's just we're feeding them some like juice kind of thing. Strawberries. But we've got some strawberries in the greenhouse over there, and we've picked some, and we've basically squashed it, and we're putting it in a syringe and feeding them it. So if you're wondering where they're going to sleep, I have got somewhere for them to sleep. So we're going to put them in here because we thought that's really the best place to put them, really, because it's nice and warm in here. And so my sister Isabel, who's over there, is going to be waking up early to make sure that they're okay. So I don't know what we're going to do with them after that.
Don't talk like that, Scarlett.
And so, yeah, so that is the end of the video. I know it is a short one, but
I'm waking up at 5:45 now.
that's okay, because I only really wanted to show you the chicks. So, bye guys, I love you. Bye.